Break ID number 5631. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. Go. Hi, Jimmy. I have another one queued up. I just have to finish it. I'll do it as soon as we have a lull in the action. It's a pretty good one, too, with a Drew Brees autographed card. But it'll probably be a little while before I get to finish that. Not too bad, though. And there you go. Jordan Adams auto. To the Angels. Randy TH. Josh Stowers. Yeah, those did go quick. One left in the next Contenders Optic 2-box. 2018. Seattle. Michael AP. Hey, Aaron. Albie's rookie. Casey Mize, #1 draft pick. Royce Lewis, #4 overall prospect. Devers rookie. Justin Williams. Rays. Gary AR. #2 overall prospect, Fernando Tatis Jr. Refractor. Who are you talking about, Keith? Casey? Andujar, rookie. Guerrero Jr. insert. #1 overall prospect. Redemption. Anthony Siegler, insert auto. And we can redeem those for you. Just select it in the options when you see this card in your account. It'll go right back in your account when it gets back. To the Yankees. Michael AP. Whoop. Last pack. Atomic Refractor, Blake Snell. Albie's rookie insert. Torres rookie refractor. All right.